Another jet here in the sky. Limerick, there are jets spraying here all day long. What we should have is a clear, brisk blue sky. But with that chemical jet dumping, hard to have that. See it here. They say Hitler was a bad man. Look what's going on in 2016. Worse than what Hitler ever did. In the facts about it. Facts are facts. Can't be denied. Instead of that, hundreds of miles long. And as I said, I talk about Hitler. Oh my goodness. It's just there one jet and there's crap load of jets after passing all day there today. He's there with the sun and it's blocked. Actually a white sky there. I say it should be a clear, brisk blue sky. Funny sound of that yoke then as well. That's the way it is here today, white sky with chemicals.